Are you unable to access your Instagram and are getting an annoying pop-up that says Instagram could not refresh feed? Then this video might help you troubleshoot it or understand why this might be happening to your application. The tips that I mentioned in this video will apply for both Android and iOS devices. Let's first make sure that your device is properly connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go to any browser on your phone, type speed test and then run the test. If you're getting decent speed, by which I mean anything above 2 to 3 Mbps, then it's probably not an internet issue. Also make sure that there are no VPN apps running in the background. If they are, disconnect the VPN and close the application. If the internet is working fine, you can proceed for some other troubleshooting steps. On Android, you can try deleting the app cache and app data for the Instagram app. The same can be done on iOS as well. Go to General Settings, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, offload the app and reinstall from the same button to make sure that the application is wiped clean. Do note that you might be logged out of your Instagram account after these steps, so make sure you remember the password. You can also go to the App Store or Play Store and open the Instagram page to check if there are any updates that are pending. If yes, then update the application and check if this video helped you fix the issue. A problem like this can also be caused if Instagram is down or experiencing an outage. In that case, all we can do is stay patient and wait for the outage to end. We hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, then don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. Thank you for watching.